Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio. Storybox Audio.
Sums. So, first of all, introduction means matrices. How to write the matrices? We write the elements, arrange the elements or objects, any objects in a rows and columns is known as the matrices. Already we learned in the 10th standard. Numbers arranged in a rows and columns and put in brackets. Numbers, not only a numbers we can arrange in a rows and columns. We have to we can arrange any item also rows and columns. For example, we can see the seating arrangement in the cinema theaters and in fields that they are arranging the plants in the rows and columns, and everywhere we can see the matrices. And if you go to the hotel, the menu is arranged in a column wise and prices are arranged in column wise, and if you see the attendance, the students' names are arranged in also in a row. So everywhere we can see the matrices. So that one. And here matrices defined as a matrix is a rectangular array or arrangement of entries or elements displayed in rows and columns and put within a square bracket. Bracket la elements allame line ஆயிது bracket la எதுவோ அதுதான் matrices சொல்லுவோம். And ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம கற்றுக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நீங்கள் முன்னாடி பார்த்துருந்தா மேட்ரிசஸ் யூசஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். அதனால் இந்த சாப்டரில் மேட்ரிசஸை நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக லேர்ன் பண்ணோம்னா ஃப்யூச்சரில் ஃபர்தராக இன்ஜினியரிங் போகிறதுக்கும் இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப யூஸ் ஆகும் நம்மளுக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் ஆர் சம் மோர் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் given. You can see that examples. Some numbers are arranged in rows and columns. So in first example, the -201 arranged in a single row, here arranged in a single column, here also 2 rows and 3 columns. Like that we can arrange the matrices. These are some examples you can see. Here general form of a matrix. So general form of matrix means some elements are arranged in a rows and columns. Here represent as a general form of a matrix as Aij. Aij means element of the position element of the matrix. That is Ij are represent the that elements location. That means row and column. I represents the its the elements row, and that elements column J represents the elements column. So if you see here A12 means this is the its position is the in first row second column. You see if here A21 its position is the second in the second row first column. So like that you can read. So the first row, this is the row 2, this is the row I, this is the row M. The columns are like that. This is column 1, column 2, column J, column N. So here we can see M rows and N columns. It is a general form of a matrix. So it is represented as a M by N. That is known as the order of a matrix. So here are given some more examples, A, B and C. So another concept we are going to learn about the order of a matrix. So order of a matrix is represented by the number of rows into number of columns. It is read by the number of rows by number of columns. If the matrix has m rows and n columns, its order is known as the m by n. We write as a m into n, but read as a m by n. Here are given some more examples. Here A, you can see 3 rows, that is 201, 145, 9 minus 86. Here are the 3 rows and 3 columns, 219, 04 minus 8, minus 156. So the 3 rows, 3 columns have. So its order is 3 by 3. And matrix B, you can see 1 row, 2, 3, 3 rows, columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. So its order is 3 by 4. And in C row we can see 4 rows and 3 columns. So you can write as a 4 by 3. Already we saw that examples in before slide. So minus 201, we can write that orders are like that. First one is the 1 by 3, second one is the 4 by 1, it is the 2 by 3, this is 3 by 2, and this is 3 by 3, and it is 2 by 2, and it is 3 by 4. So order of a matrix is the one of the concept of one of the property of the matrix. Already we learned in the 10th standard.
Dear students, now we are going to learn how to find the determinant of the square matrix. Already we know that square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Today we are going to learn how to find the determinant of the matrix of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 order matrices. And here given 4, 5, minus 6, 2 by 2 square matrix. For finding determinant, multiply the elements in diagonally and subtract them. So first you multiply 4 and 2, we get 8, and then we take the diagonal minus 6 and 5, multiplied and subtract from the 8. So minus 6 and 5 is minus 30, subtract from 8 means minus of minus 30, we get 8 plus 30, that is 38. So determinant of the matrix is the one of the real value, real number. And now we are going to learn how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. To find 3 by 3 matrix using the first row, you can use second row, third row, or first column, second column, third column. But first we are going to learn how to use the first row only. Here in first row, first element take 1, so you take 1 and hide its column and row. Then what you get, 3 1 1 4 or the 3 1 1 4. So take that its determinant value, and later we take first row second element, that is the minus 1. So for this one only you are change the symbol, minus of minus 1 you are taking here, and hide its row and its column. We get minus 3 1 0 4, take this determinant value, and later in first row third element, is the 1, so take as it is and hide its row and its column, take that remaining elements determinant. Later on you are finding the determinant of the values, 1 into 3 4s are 12 and minus 1 1s are 1. Here minus of minus 1 is plus 1, and minus 3 into 4 minus 12, 0 into 1 0, so put minus 0, then plus 1 of minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 0 into 3 0, then 1 into 12 minus 1 11, plus 1 into minus 12, minus 12 minus 0 is minus 12, minus 3 minus 0 is the minus 3, so 1 into minus 3. Then you simplifying, you get the one of the real value. So this is the determinant of the given 3 by 3 matrix. This is the way you can find the determinant of the 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix. Using this one, we have to do the homework. in example 1.1 and example 1.4 and second sum of the exercise 1.1. If you not understand this video, please watch one more time or two more time, and then later on also you don't understand, you call me and you can clarify your doubt and do the sums in notebook and put the images in the WhatsApp. Don't forget. Thank you, students.